sides. So 2 6-sided dice. And we want to know what is the probability that that the product of the two numbers is prime. So we want to know what is the probability that product is prime. The first step for these problems is you want to write down, we want to find the number of successes divided by the number of possible. So like for the possible, again, it would just be 6 times 6, right? There's 6 ways for the first die and 6 ways for the second die. And for the successes, notice that in order for the product to be prime, we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice that like we have to have like one of the numbers rolled be 1, right? For example, we can roll a 1 and then a 2, a 1 and a 3, a 1 and a 5, a 2 and a 1, a 2 and a 2, or not a 2 and a 2. We can have a 3 and a 1 and a 5 and a 1. So it turns out these are the only 6 possible ways. Like any other combination, for example, if you don't use a 1, for example, you say like 2 and a 6, for example, well, that means when you multiply these two together, you're going to have a factor of 2 and a factor of 6. So that clearly can't be prime. So that means you only have 6 successful outcomes. So this would also be 1 divided by 6 as the probability.